Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best MacBook accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MOSISO keyboard cover skin compatible. I haven't used a keyboard cover on my laptop since college, but lately I'm seeing it on people's MacBooks on TikTok. I take my MacBook Air on the go often, and I'm always getting makeup on it or trying to keep crumbs from falling through the cracks, so I decided to buy a keyboard cover. This one from MOSISO has been great. It fits accurately on top of each key, complete with a cutout for the Touch ID button, feels comfortable to type on, and is thin enough that I can fully close the MacBook lid without damaging the screen. Made of silicone, it's easy to wipe down accidental coffee spills too. It's available in various colors and different MacBook models, including the M-Series MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Branch Adjustable Laptop Stand. Branch's laptop stand now holds the top spot in Best Laptop Stands Guide. You can easily adjust it to any angle you need, and it raises laptops from 2 to 7-ish inches. Former Wired reviewer Medea Giordano says it's sturdy too, so it doesn't bounce around if you're working off your laptop instead of using an external monitor. With a pretty wood top and an aluminum base and legs, it's also aesthetically pleasing. And at $65, it's a lot more affordable than a lot of other stands we've tested. At number 3, we have the Satechi 108W Pro USB Circa PD desktop charging station. If you have a MacBook Pro, go for Satechi's 108-watt wall charger. It's on the larger side, but it's not as big as the one from Apple. It comes with 3 USB-C ports, each with the ability to charge at 100 watts if only one device is connected, perfect for the 16-inch MacBook Pro. However, if you want to charge 3 gadgets at once, it'll charge them at 45, 30, and 30 watts, respectively, 58, 30, and 20 watts, or 65, 20, and 20 watts, depending on what you're charging. The plug folds up too. At number 2, we have the Apple Magic Keyboard. Ever since Apple debuted the new Magic Keyboard on its MacBooks in 2021, it's been difficult to find a third-party keyboard that feels similar. This is remedied with Apple's very own external keyboard. It's expensive, but a nice way to fully replicate the MacBook setup. It comes equipped with a Touch ID button, which you can use to log in, pay for purchases, and download apps, as well as a number pad. It has the same function row keys as M-Series MacBooks, complete with playback buttons, a mission control key, and a dedicated Do Not Disturb button. And finally, at number 1, we have the Satechi 8-in-1 USB-C hub multi-port adapter. This is currently our favorite hub in our Best USB Hubs guide. It sports several USB-C ports, which are also conveniently labeled by their maximum speed. Former Wired reviewer Eric Ravenscraft said he consistently got speeds of 850 to 900 megabytes per second on the fastest USB-C port, while the fourth can reach over 400 megabytes per second. It can handle beefier tasks in minutes too, like transferring hundreds of gigabytes of 6K footage within minutes. The only gripe is that it doesn't have any USB-A ports, but that's become a common complaint for laptops and accessories alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.